welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am here with another unboxing video. So today I'm gonna show you the back case, unboxing the back case for Infinix Hot 10s. As this was a newly launched mobile phone, it was very difficult for me to find a suitable back case for this phone. So we all know this phone has got a very big screen, so a back case that especially a flip case is much needed for me, and it was very difficult to find one. So I'll be doing the review of this back case today. So let's get started. So they have already given Infinix Hot 10s. Okay, it's a magnetic button here. I don't know, some stains are here, but it doesn't matter. Okay. Okay, so this is our flip case for Infinix Hot 10s. This is a silicone case. It's pretty good. The case is really nice, strong. It's a very good quality material, and I really like the design of this case. Camera has got a good protection over here. I really like these cutouts, the fingerprint cutouts. Everything else is well. Okay. And this one is magnetic. Perfect. Okay, so design wise, I really like this. Very nice color, very nice design. This kind of patch design is so nice. So let's put the case and see. So I have now put the case. So I really like this case. You can see the camera is well protected, good cutouts, the fingerprint cutout is all nice, phone is well secured. Some cutouts are given over here also, and there is some space here for cards and other school. Okay. So okay, it's a pretty good case. Phone is well secured, well protected case. It won't come off easily. It was very difficult to put the case. It was very difficult for me to get this case on this phone. You can see this phone has got a very big screen, so it needs a good flip card. So I was in search of a good flip card. Okay, you can put them like this in stand mode. You can see. So cool. This is nice. Okay, it doesn't feel much bulky. It's very nice. Really. Okay. So, what should I say? This is awesome. I ordered this case from Flipkart. If you guys want the link, the product link, I can give you the link in the description. If you need it, please let me know in the comment section. And it cost 300 rupees. And I think this case is worth the value of rupees 300 because it's a nice material. It has got a nice design and good magnetic buttons. So this is a good product. I really like this. So that's all for today. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and support my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.